Ever worried one slip could cost your Pixel its beauty and performance? Today I'm unveiling 10 Spigen cases and accessories built to protect and elevate your device. Welcome to my channel. Check the links in the description to grab yours and enjoy style, durability and peace of mind every day. The number 10 product on our list is Spigen Ultra Hybrid MagFit Case. Clear protection that doesn't hide your phone's beauty. That's the promise of the Spigen Ultra Hybrid MagFit Case. Featured in the 10 best Google Pixel 10 Pro XL Spigen cases and accessories, this case stands out for people who want durability without sacrificing design. Its transparent back showcases the Pixel's clean finish while resisting yellowing over time, giving you confidence that your phone will look fresh for months. Military-grade air cushion technology built into every corner absorbs shock from unexpected drops, while the hybrid structure of rigid polycarbonate and flexible TPU ensures both strength and comfort in hand. Raised bezels add that extra layer of security for screen and camera protection, solving the common fear of scratches on flat surfaces. The built-in MagFit integration makes charging seamless and reliable, a huge relief for anyone tired of misaligned connections. Tested for real-world comfort, this case blends style, resilience, and peace of mind effortlessly. At number 9 is Spigen Super Fast Wireless Charger. Charging shouldn't feel like a waiting game, and that's exactly what the Spigen Super Fast Wireless Charger sets out to change. Highlighted in the 10 best Google Pixel 10 Pro XL Spigen cases and accessories, this sleek charger delivers reliable speed and stability that users crave in everyday life. Its 15W optimized output ensures your device powers up quickly, while the built-in safety features protect your phone from overheating or inconsistent charging. A relief for anyone tired of unreliable pads. The upright fixed design keeps your screen visible, making it perfect for video calls or notifications while it charges. Compared to cheaper alternatives, this one feels premium, built with a sturdiness that inspires long-term trust. Some may find the lack of adjustable angles limiting, but the efficiency and peace of mind it provides far outweigh that trade-off. Tested for real-world comfort, this is the kind of accessory we only recommend when it truly earns its spot. Number 8 is Spigen Rugged Armor MagFit Case. There's a certain peace of mind that comes with knowing your phone can survive the unexpected, and the Spigen Rugged Armor MagFit Case delivers that reassurance beautifully. Within the lineup of 10 best Google Pixel 10 Pro XL Spigen cases and accessories, this case stands out for its blend of rugged protection and modern convenience. The flexible TPU frame with carbon fiber accents feels sleek yet sturdy, while MagFit integration ensures effortless compatibility with magnetic accessories and wireless charging. Inside, a spiderweb pattern and air cushion technology absorb shock, meaning drops and knocks are no longer moments of panic. Raised bezels guard the screen and camera, solving the everyday worry of scratches from flat surfaces. Compared to bulkier alternatives, it offers a lighter profile without sacrificing toughness. Tested for real-world comfort, it balances durability with style. For those who value both protection and ease, this case feels like a smart, long-term investment. At number 7 is Spigen Liquid Air MagFit Case. Sometimes the simplest designs bring the greatest sense of confidence, and that's exactly what the Spigen Liquid Air MagFit Case delivers. In the lineup of 10 best Google Pixel 10 Pro XL Spigen cases and accessories, this case earns attention for its clean, minimalist look that hides powerful protection beneath. Its slim TPU frame feels light in the hand yet secure, with a textured grip that stops slips before they happen. Inside, the spiderweb pattern quietly works to disperse impact, while air cushion technology cushions corners during sudden drops. Tested for real-world comfort, not just on paper, the raised edges offer peace of mind for your screen and camera, solving the daily fear of scratches when setting your phone down. Compared to bulkier cases, it slides into a pocket with ease, while still keeping MagFit compatibility intact. For those wanting understated style with reliable protection, this case feels like a safe, smart choice. At number 6 is Spigen GAN 45 wall charger. Power in your pocket doesn't have to mean bulk, and the Spigen GAN 45W wall charger proves it. In the lineup of 10 best Google Pixel 10 Pro XL Spigen cases and accessories, this little powerhouse stands out for blending compact design with serious charging performance. Built with advanced GaN technology, it runs cooler, safer, and more efficiently than traditional silicon chargers, which means no more worrying about overheating on long days or road trips. Dual USB-C outputs make it versatile, letting you charge a tablet and phone at once without sacrificing speed, while PPS support ensures optimized charging tailored to your device. Tested for real-world comfort, it easily slips into travel bags without adding weight. Compared to bulkier adapters, it feels like a smart, forward-looking upgrade that offers peace of mind and reliability. For anyone tired of juggling slow or oversized chargers, this option feels like both a safe bet and a worthwhile investment. Number 5 is Spigen USB-C car charger. Imagine hitting the road with low battery anxiety gone. That's exactly what the Spigen USB-C car charger delivers. In the lineup of 10 best Google Pixel 10 Pro XL Spigen cases and accessories, this car charger proves it's more than just an add-on, it's peace of mind in your dashboard. With a total 75W output split across 2 USB-C ports, it powers up laptops, tablets, and phones without compromise, making it a lifesaver for multitaskers and road warriors. Tested for real-world comfort, its compact size fits seamlessly without blocking controls, while Quantum Boost tech ensures safe, efficient charging every time. Compared to standard car chargers, this one feels smarter and more future-proof, giving relief on long trips where every % of battery counts. If you want fast, reliable charging on the go, this is a smart choice. Simple, powerful, and built for those who value both speed and safety. At number 4 is Spigen NanoPop MagFit case. There's something instantly refreshing about a case that dares to stand out, and that's exactly the feeling the Spigen NanoPop MagFit case delivers. Among the 10 best Google Pixel 10 Pro XL Spigen cases and accessories, this one strikes the balance between playful style and dependable protection. The bold two-tone colors give your phone personality, while the slim profile makes it feel natural in hand. Spigen's air cushion technology quietly works in the background, absorbing shocks and keeping drops from becoming disasters, while raised bezels protect your camera and screen for added peace of mind. Tested for real-world comfort, the textured grip ensures the phone won't slip on the go, making it practical for everyday use. Unlike bulkier options, it still supports magnetic accessories effortlessly, giving users flexibility without compromise. If you want a case that feels modern, protective, and fun without adding weight, this is a smart, confidence-boosting choice. The third one on our list is Spigen ArcWire. Power isn't just about speed, it's about trust, and that's exactly what the Spigen ArcWire delivers. In the collection of 10 best Google Pixel 10 Pro XL Spigen cases and accessories, this cable proves how something so simple can redefine your daily routine. Built with USB 4 Gen 3 certification, it pushes lightning-fast 40 Gbps data transfer and an incredible 240W charging output, making it more than just a cord. It's a powerhouse lifeline. Tested for real-world comfort, it survives over 10,000 bends, reassuring you that it won't fray or fail when you need it most. Compared to generic cables that overheat or slow down, ArcWire's engineering provides relief and confidence, especially for professionals balancing laptops, tablets, and phones on the go. The only drawback is that you'll need a proper high-accessible wall charger to unlock its full potential, but if you demand reliability, safety, and future-proof performance, this cable is a smart and worry-free investment. And number 2 is Spigen 20W wall charger. Sometimes it's the smallest accessory that changes your daily flow, and that's exactly the story with the Spigen 20W wall charger, featured among the 10 best Google Pixel 10 Pro XL Spigen cases and accessories. This compact powerhouse proves that reliable charging doesn't need to be bulky or complicated. Built with advanced GaN technology, it stays cooler and runs more efficiently than standard bricks, giving you the peace of mind that your devices are safe while powering up quickly. Tested for real-world comfort, its foldable plug design makes it perfect for slipping into a bag or pocket, whether you're headed to work, class, or travel. Compared to generic chargers that struggle with consistency, this one delivers dependable fast charging without overheating or lag. While it may not replace high-watt options for laptops, for phones, tablets, and daily essentials, it strikes a perfect balance of speed, portability, and trust, making it a smart, stress-free investment. Now moving to the last one is Spigen Tough Armor MagFit case. Strength and style rarely blend so effortlessly, yet the Spigen Tough Armor MagFit case proves they can. Highlighted in the 10 best Google Pixel 10 Pro XL Spigen cases and accessories, this case instantly feels like a layer of confidence around your phone. From the first grip, the textured TPU and rugged PC frame give you that reassuring sense of durability, while the air cushion technology works quietly in the background to absorb shocks from unexpected drops. Tested for real-world comfort, the built-in kickstand is more than a gimmick. It transforms casual scrolling and binge-watching into hands-free convenience. Compared to slimmer cases, yes, it carries a little extra weight, but that's the trade-off for military-grade toughness and peace of mind. The MagSafe-ready design adds a modern edge, letting you snap on accessories without fuss. For those who prioritize safety and practicality without sacrificing usability, this case delivers protection you can trust. So guys, this was the video about the 10 best Google Pixel 10 Pro XL Spigen cases and accessories. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.